Buell Super Cruiser 1190 is more than just another motorcycle. It's a bold statement in performance, style, and American engineering, born from a company that has always dared to challenge the norms. This bike is the result of a unique collaboration between Buell Motorcycles and legendary designer Roland Sands, blending raw power with custom cruiser attitude. At its heart lies the thunderous 1,190 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing an astonishing 175 horsepower and 101 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers are almost unheard of in the cruiser world, instantly setting the Super Cruiser apart from anything else on the road. This isn't a laid-back weekend ride. It's a muscle-bound street weapon that happens to wear cruiser clothes. The bike's design is aggressive yet sleek, with a stance that feels both planted and ready to pounce. Roland Sands' influence is clear in every curve and contour, with a low, stretched profile, wide bars, and a minimalist, purposeful body that screams performance without unnecessary fluff. The frame is Buell's signature aluminum spar design, keeping the chassis lightweight and incredibly rigid for precise handling. Unlike traditional cruisers that focus solely on comfort, the Super Cruiser is built to carve corners with the kind of agility you'd expect from a superbike. The suspension setup features premium components, including fully adjustable front forks and a high-performance rear shock, ensuring the bike can handle everything from tight city streets to high-speed canyon runs. Braking is handled by Buell's iconic perimeter brake system, a massive single front rotor clamped by a powerful caliper for exceptional stopping power while reducing unsprung weight. Every detail of the Super Cruiser 1190 is built for performance, from the lightweight wheels wrapped in sticky rubber to the ergonomic yet aggressive rider triangle. The seating position offers enough comfort for longer rides but keeps you connected to the machine in a way that invites spirited riding. And then there's the soundtrack, an intoxicating blend of deep, throaty rumble at idle that builds into a roaring crescendo as you twist the throttle, reminding you that this is no ordinary cruiser. The electronics are kept minimal to preserve that raw mechanical connection, but you still get essentials like modern fuel injection and performance tuning that ensure smooth power delivery across the rev range. The styling is a perfect fusion of modern muscle and classic Americana, with clean lines, exposed mechanicals, and high-quality finishes. It's the kind of bike that draws a crowd wherever it's parked, not just because of its looks, but because enthusiasts know they're looking at something rare and special. Buell has a history of creating machines that stand out from the mainstream, and the Super Cruiser 1190 continues that tradition by defying expectations of what a cruiser should be. It's not about chrome and nostalgia, it's about speed, precision, and